Hello everyone, I'm Kiran Shankar. I'm a preschool principal. We need smart books for smart generations. I'm sure you all agree with me. That's exactly what LilBeez provides. Upon introducing and incorporating LilBeez books to nearly 200 kids in our preschool alone, we have received an overwhelming and a very positive feedback from teachers and parents as well. LilBeez books are very child-friendly and activity-based, and the implementation of these books has made classroom teaching much more effective, efficient, and consistent, resulting in excellent outcomes. To add on, it becomes very easy for the management to keep up with the pace for the teacher enrollment retaining process. The coordination with NICC team has helped us our regular teacher training sessions with the resources which can be used in the most efficient ways of delivering them to our kids.